Welcome to your Miracle Morning Affirmations. This is your time to start the day with positivity, confidence, and inner peace. Find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let go of any tension, any worries, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. As you listen, let each affirmation sink into your heart and mind. You may repeat them silently or out loud, feeling their truth with every breath. Imagine each word filling you with light, strength, and joy. Now, let's begin. I am grateful for my vibrant health and energy. I am strong, resilient, and full of vitality. I am nourishing my body with love and care. I am committed to my well-being and joy. I am radiating vitality and wellness every day. I am deserving of balance and harmony in my life. I am open to receiving unlimited good fortune. I am attracting positive energy and abundant opportunities. I am always in the right place at the right time. I am a magnet for success and positive outcomes. I am successful in every area of my life. I am confident and capable of achieving my dreams. I am focused and determined to reach my goals. I am constantly growing and expanding my potential. I am attracting fulfilling and rewarding experiences. I am deserving of abundant prosperity and success. I am worthy of loving, supportive, and harmonious relationships. I am surrounded by caring and uplifting people. I am open to meaningful connections that enrich my life. I am building loving, positive, and lasting relationships. I am a loving and supportive partner, friend, and family member. I am deserving of joy and love in all my relationships. I am always open to learning, evolving, and growing. I am empowered to create the career and life of my dreams. I am capable of achieving greatness in my career. I am continuously moving forward in my professional life. I am attracting success, recognition, and fulfillment in my work. I am confident in my abilities and skills. I am deserving of all the success I have and will achieve. I am financially abundant and I attract wealth effortlessly. I am worthy of financial freedom, security, and prosperity. I am open to receiving money from limitless sources. I am financially independent, secure, and empowered. I am a magnet for wealth, abundance, and success. I am deserving of a life filled with financial abundance. I am filled with happiness, joy, and gratitude every day. I am worthy of all the happiness life has to offer. I am the creator of my happiness and choose to feel good. I am thankful for the abundance of joy in my life. I am a positive force of happiness and peace. I am experiencing new adventures and exploring new horizons. I am open to exciting opportunities for travel and exploration. I am deserving of beautiful and enriching travel experiences. I am creating a life full of joyful adventures. I am confident, adventurous, and open to new experiences. I am worthy of feeling good, at peace, and happy. I am always grateful for the present moment and its blessings. I am creating a life full of exciting and fulfilling adventures. I am attracting loyal, loving, and uplifting friendships. I am surrounded by friends who support and inspire me. So it is.